Hey everybody, Glenn here with ScreenConnect. And for this video, this is going to be short and sweet. I want to show you how to automatically update your agent version. And disclaimer for this, if you choose to test out a pre-release or canary or something like that, it's not recommended to do this because you cannot revert back to the older version. So here we go. You simply navigate to the admin tab down here, and then you will navigate to advanced web configuration settings at the bottom. And there it is, automatically update agent version. So you just select that value, save and apply. And there's a little disclosure. It will restart your instance. So you just want to make sure that nobody's in an active session. It might boot them for a second, but do you wish to proceed? Okay. And there you have it. Now, all of your agents will be updated automatically. All right, everybody, have a great day.